Welcome back to Bad Beats for another brilliant episode. Today we are talking about why subscribers use Onlyfans. A lot of Onlyfans creators don't actually understand why subscribers use the platform. So here are 3 reasons why your fans are on Onlyfans. Of course, this does not apply to people who are celebs or famous or Insta famous, because then it's obvious. Number 1, because you're in their niche. Okay, they like what you look like or the particular content that you make, so they will follow you. They might not be able to get that kind of content anywhere else or looking like the way that you look. So they can afford to be extra picky on OnlyFans, and this is a good way to corner that part of the market. This is also really good because they like the fact that you can provide them with custom content. They may have some wants they want fulfilling, and they can pay you a certain amount of money and you'll make a video too, because you're an amateur. So in terms of amateur, they want to see amateur content, okay? They want you to talk like an amateur, not like you're some crazy corny monster all the time. And they want you to show personality, your own personality of a normal girl. This is one of the most important points. This, do not underestimate, because a lot of guys really like the fact that you might not know a lot about the industry you're in, or you might not know what you're doing. They like the fact that you could have been the girl in college next to them or their colleague at work. Number 3, communication and interaction that they aren't getting elsewhere, but that you're providing. It's very important to provide a certain level of communication with fans. This is one of the main selling points of OnlyFans. However, do be prepared to draw the line. You are a creator. You're not their online girlfriend. A lot of people will get the lines blurred and not really know how to set boundaries. But it is imperative that you do, because you'll spend a lot of your time on certain fans when you could be spending the time making content. A quick tip here is to ensure that they know you're always busy, that you'd really like to talk to them, and the only way that you can do that is if they book a slot in your schedule, which they have to pay for. When you're doing that slot, give them a few minutes extra, because everybody likes something free. But hey ho, you've not upset them by saying, listen, just pay for my stuff. You've not broken that magical bond. But it's key you understand your customer's mindset in order to maximize your sales, just like any other business. And I'm telling you, these are the reasons why they're on there. Okay, so put these into action on your own platform and watch the results.